What's up, y'all? Happy Monday. Today is March the 9th. Guys, it has already been a crazy morning. Wow. Where do I start? Went out and did a consultation this morning. Phone has been ringing like a telethon. This job that we're at now, the movers forgot to put him on the schedule. So my guy and Tavares and our ride along who's with us had to move the furniture, but they're gonna come move the furniture back. Got a sanding job going on right now. My sanding guy had to go out of town this weekend, so the client's kind of nervous because she don't think he's gonna be done on time, and I gotta go UV cure those floor guys. But anyway, it's still gonna be a great day. It's still gonna be a great week, and you know why? Because that sun is coming out. So that makes me feel better. So anyway, guys, happy Monday. We're out here in Alpharetta, Georgia. This is a new client. This is Mr. Ken. He called me about 2 weeks ago, did a paid in-home consultation. And these are what I call my ideal clients. He said, Courtney, I don't blame you charging for in-home consultations because time is money. So what we're doing, guys, is my guys are in there doing some countertops. My phone is ringing now. And we're also going to be doing a screen recoat with UV cure. And then after this, when we get the coating down, I got to go do another consultation and coming. Then we got to go do a one-room screen or recoat this afternoon. So let me flip this around and show you what we got going today. All right, guys. So we are out here in Alpharetta, Georgia. There's Tavares. All right. And they're just wrapping up the granite countertops. And we are going to be doing these wood floors. All right, guys, so if you look at these wood floors, you see a lot of wear. You see a lot of these micro scratches. So what we're gonna do is screen or recoat this floor and put a satin finish on it, make it look more natural. Now, when we move the rug, you got some UV damage. Guys, there's really not that much we can do to that, but I am going to try to put some amber on it, try to get some more amber. But again, this is not a full sanding. And then also right here, that's just where people pick their rugs up. So this is all the furniture that my guys moved. But again, the moving guys are going to move it back. And look at these beautiful countertops. This is Stanley. Stanley is out of the Carolinas, so he has been following me on YouTube for what, 5 years? He said, Courtney, I get up every morning, watch your videos, and he reached out to me about 2 months ago, joined my private group, and he's out today to do his 2-day ride along. So this is day one. So him and Tavares just got through doing the granite countertops, which came out amazing. And now we're gonna go ahead and start screening these floors and then also the kitchen area. So guys, again, this is a great service for clients that do not wanna go through the sanding, and especially when they are just wanting to put the house on the market and just make the floors look better. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. All right, guys, let me get into this busy day. Stay tuned.
Alpharetta, Georgia. Truman in the building. Ride along from North Carolina. Mr. Stanley learning the game. Yeah. Pulled up early morning sun, barely in the sky. Tools in the van, got the system ready to fly. Clean said the floor look tight, countertop door. I said give me one day, watch the magic unfold. Screen on the hardwood, smooth like a glide. UV curing system, bringing color back alive. Granite countertop shining like a star in the night. Now the whole house glowing when the sunlight hit the light. One day shine, yeah, we back in business. Furniture back same day, that's the Truman difference. Floor the new, countertop, diamond bright. Alpharetta, Georgia, yeah, we did it overnight. One day shine, watch the system perform. Training them Stanley came down from North Carolina storm. Learning the craft while the cameras roll. One day refinish, bringing life to the floors. Clients smiling wide, couldn't believe their eyes. Said yesterday it was dull, today's luxury vibes. From the hardwood grain to the granite glow. That UV cure system got the whole house in a show. Ride along training, passing down the skill. Teaching how to restore with precision and will. From Atlanta to Carolina, the knowledge gon' spread. Turning whole floors of gold with the system we bred, yeah. countertops shining like diamonds. And another student level up. Leveling up.
All right, guys, that is going to do it. Countertops, wood floors, done one day. Just did a consultation. The first thing they said, Courtney, we do not want to sand the floors. So they actually just scheduled for 2 weeks out. It has been a busy day, guys, but it's been a great, fun, busy day. The sun came out, so that makes me feel better. So this is Christian and Jaw. These are the guys that you guys see in a lot of my videos. They are back moving the furniture back. And these floors came out amazing. Shout out to my ride-along, Stanley. Stanley has, techniques to where he kind of does like concrete floors. So he was kind of similar to the technique of screening and recoating. But guys, these floors came out great. And you can see that I got them UV cured. Furniture is going back same day. And also over here, I did one of my color correction techniques. And over here, let me get out of the way. They're moving the furniture. Over here was some UV damage, and a lot of times that won't come out. So what I did an amber seal first, and then what I did, I have some aerosol color correction, and I sprayed some on these areas, and it did look a lot better. It came out a whole lot better than I thought it would. So Stephanie is just instructing them where to move the furniture. But guys, this is the unique thing about the UV cure. The furniture can go back same day. And you guys remember at the beginning of the video, I showed you all those scuff marks and scratches. You don't see them anymore. And the floors came out amazing. And this is a perfect process for this right here. Floors are nice and smooth. All right, guys, we're about to head out. We have another project to do, another small project to do. It is just one room. She's putting her house on the market. So we're just going to screen and recoat that. And then we have a huge project tomorrow. So Christian then will actually be going out first thing in the morning to move that client. She's in Canton. Also have another consultation tomorrow in Canton. And then we have to do a UV cure for a floor that my sanding guy will be wrapping up tomorrow. All right, guys, it is busy. Let us get back on the road. See you in the next one.